I love living at the Glasshouse because it's so sociable, it's close to everywhere.
The area around the Glasshouse is definitely a nice area to live in.
It's just a dead sociable place to be. There are several room types to choose from.
My room is very nice and spacious. I have a big bed that's really comfortable and loads of storage space.
My favourite bit about the room is the big desk. I have quite a lot of stuff to put everywhere, so it just fits it all on and I can organise it how I like.
It's really useful to have an ensuite because when I'm in a rush to go to the gym, I can just hop in the shower and get going.
So we've got a shared bathroom, never a queue to use it. It's got everything that I need in there, so it's ideal really.
In my room I also have a kitchenette which has a stove with 2 hobs on it and a hybrid oven and microwave.
So we've got a nice big kitchen, there's everything we could want in there. We've got microwave, oven, hobs, fridge, freezer, and then a sofa bit right next to it. So we've all got room to sit around and chill after lectures and just hang out. We've also got a common room down in reception.
It has loads of space to relax in and it's very useful for hanging out with friends, especially if they live in different blocks.
Staff are absolutely lovely. They're all very friendly. Security here at the Glasshouse is great. Everyone's got their own key fob, so it's so safe to get in.
The staff are always available during office hours, and when they're not, there are security around to help you.
There's a laundrette on site and it's got washers and dryers.
This is a good thing because you don't have to go out into town with all your washing. The Wi-Fi on site reaches everywhere in the building, which means you're always connected, and it's fast and reliable.
So you can watch Netflix, go on Facebook, Skype.
Having all your bills included in the price is really useful, since you know exactly what you're going to be paying.
Being at Glasshouse, we're pretty central to everywhere. You've got Aldi straight down the road, and then you've got Victoria Centre, you can do all your shopping. And there's also some really great bars in Nottingham.
The Glasshouse is in an excellent area. It is only 5 minutes walk away from the Nottingham Trent University and only a short bus ride from the University of Nottingham. I would definitely recommend other students to live at the Glasshouse, especially those who value security, comfort and convenience.
I'd definitely recommend the Glasshouse to other students. It's just a great place to be.